In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add animation in Prezi step by step so you can make your presentations feel more dynamic, more professional, and much easier to follow. If you've ever wanted to smoothly reveal text, zoom into an important detail, or highlight multiple elements at once, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Prezi presentation in edit mode. This is important because the animation tools only appear when you're actively editing your project. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the exact topic or slide frame where the content you want to animate is located. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right part of your presentation because Prezi animations are added to specific objects inside specific frames. Now, look at the top property toolbar. You should see an animation button with a star icon. Click that star icon to open the animation sidebar on the right side of the screen. This sidebar is where you'll control everything related to motion and visual emphasis in your Prezi presentation. Once the animation panel is open, the next step is to choose the object you want to animate. This could be a block of text, an image, a chart, or even a group of elements inside your frame. Click on the object first so Prezi knows exactly what you want to work with. Then, inside the animation sidebar, click the plus icon to add a new animation. Now you'll see the available animation types. The first option is fade in or fade out. This is one of the most useful effects if you want your text or images to appear gradually as you present. It creates a smooth and clean transition, and it's especially helpful when you want to reveal information step by step while speaking. The next option is zoom to. This effect tells the presentation camera to zoom directly into a specific object, such as a small image, a diagram, or a chart. If you want to focus your audience's attention on one important detail, this is the animation to use. It works really well when you want to make an element fill the screen and stand out during your presentation. Another powerful option is Add Zoom Area. This lets you create a custom boundary box around a larger group of content. If you have several text boxes, icons, or graphics that belong together, you can use this to highlight them all at once. Instead of zooming into just one item, Prezi will frame the whole cluster so your audience sees the full context. As you choose your animation, think about the flow of your presentation. Use fade-ins when you want gradual reveals, use zoom to when you want to spotlight a single key detail, and use zoom areas when you want to group related elements together. The best Prezi presentations usually combine these effects in a way that feels natural and keeps the viewer engaged. After adding the animation, you can review it right away to make sure it looks the way you want. If something feels too fast, too slow, or not focused enough, go back and adjust the object or animation choice. Small refinements can make a big difference in how polished your final presentation looks. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to open the animation sidebar in Prezi, select your content, and add effects like fade in, zoom to, and zoom areas to make your presentation more engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.